Yo gang, I came super early today. People are still pulling in. So this is just the beginning, the start of the madness. You get is this a new bike? Is this a new bike or just plastics?
I just got plastics.
Ah, okay. Hell yeah. It looks, I like it like this. We got Matthew out here. He rocking the new plastics kit. Y'all know the vibe. He said, what's the problem? Homie got scared. Woo! Be careful on her, she's my baby. You've ridden a YZ before or no? Well, yeah, just be careful, please. Okay. Give it a little gas with it. Yeah, give it a little. Yeah. I'm a little scared. I'm letting Matthew ride my 125. It's a lot different riding a freaking. Let's go! The whole pack came in right now, dude. Let's get it. You know what? Let's go! Bro, yeah. Yeah, you can go. There's my YZ. There he goes. He's got it now. Oh, I was like, what was that, bro? I cut my my shoelace on your bike though. Yeah, you got your bike?
Yeah, I got it.
Where's
the cut at? You cut your shoelace.
Yes, sir. Say what? No, I think it went in the chain. Really? No, I think my shoe is untied.
Oh, okay.
What year is this bike though?
It's a 2019.
It's a 250. Yeah. It feels so good though.
The only problem I have with it is the crank went out. And after the crank went out, the water pump gear exploded. But since then, I got like the whole motor rebuilt, and it's been perfect since.
Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo. Dude, that two-stroke sound like, I don't know, it sounds like muffled.
I got the power tuner app and it said at 268 hours.
That app records all the hours? Wait, what? I didn't even know they had an app for it. Damn, so it records pretty much everything. Damn, that's fire. I did not know I had that. What mode you put it in? Sport or like, because doesn't it have different modes?
Yeah, it's like track mode. So it's like hard hitting. I got hard hitting, obviously.
Hard hitting?
It's like smooth and linear.
Ah.
I think the hard hitting, like,
It's the best. Woo, let's go! We got homie over here. What's good? How you doing? Hey, I was asking, I was like, you fixed your rear brake yet? He said, nah. You work on bikes?
Yeah.
Why didn't you fix it then? If you work on bikes, you should fix it. Yes, sir. Okay. Always getting better, bro. It's so dope just seeing the progression of the riders out here. Like after a few weekends of coming out here, you're like, damn, homie's like, he's got a lot better. Let's go. DRZ gang out here.
That's my second time letting my hand go.
Ah, yeah, it feels weird at first. You just gotta get used to it. Hey, well, the bike's looking clean, man. Let's go! DRZ love out here, boys. already know Dre killing it, bro. What's up?
What gear to take the hand out?
Any gear.
Oh.
I would say third on this. Third or fourth. Fourth it would be smoother. I like this. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we outside,
Yes, sir. How you doing?
pretty good.
What'd you record it on?
Snap.
Snap?
Yeah, I'll save it.
Save, yeah, save that thing. Oh, let's go. What's your name?
Ty.
Ty.
They call me 230 Ty.
Lars, nice to meet you. A little cocky over here.
I said it's all clutch work.
Yeah, and that's what it is.
Sorry, I gotta learn how to do it.
Yeah. Hey, keep that finger on it. On that big 450. Sheesh. Big 450 game. Oh, that's scary. I joined it from the lot.
Oh, my arm is like, oh,
I don't understand how you're like this.
bro, it's literally like this and I just lean.
Yeah. Alrighty gang, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Fun lot sesh. Remember, we're posting bangers. I got some crazy videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I freaking love you. We got merch in the description down below. Until next time, peace.